What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1972 Monte Carlo. This one here has a 350 under the hood with power steering, upgraded pulleys, decently clean under the hood. We're also going to be doing a walk around video, pointing out any kind of flaws on the body, inside and undercarriage. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos pretty much daily. You can see all of our current inventory at maplemotors.com, along with financing and shipping information and close to 100 detailed pictures of every ride. We also update with new inventory every Monday. Oh, she's ready to go. Did you see that? It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, so before we take off, gonna look around the interior, check everything out. It's pretty clean in here. It looks nice. Package trays in decent shape. Headliner's got a little bit of wrinklage going on in the corners. Go ahead and start her up. I'll show you the mileage on this one. It's showing 19,000, but it's also a 72 model, so that's hard to stand behind. We got some gas. This guy left us with gas. If you've seen any of my videos, most every car that we get in, nobody leaves us gas. Clock is working, not set correctly. We got both gauges down here working, the temp and the oil pressure. Blower motor was already on. Let's see if we can get some action here. Blower motor is not working right now. Trying all the little tricks to see if we can get her working, but she's not working. Windshield wipers, they are working. Horn, did you place your bets on the horn yet? It's not hooked up. Let's hit the road and see how it runs and drives. Okay, we're getting ready to take off down the road. I got my seatbelt on. Any flaws that I see with this car, I will let you know. That's why I make these videos. I did sit here and let this car warm up for about 10 or 15 minutes. Check to see if it would overheat in the parking lot, and it never got over 180, so that's good cooling on it. Got one shift there. There's another shift. Speedometer's coming up. It's going straight as an arrow down the road. Turns as soon as I turn. Nice and tight steering. Feels pretty peppy. Oh wow. This is a built 350 for sure. I do not believe the kickdown is hooked up. We're hitting the brakes now, checking them out. They feel good. Speedometer is way off. So we were going 70, we're running probably about 40 to 50. Yeah, that motor's got more pep than it's supposed to have, so it's definitely got some internal stuff. I don't know exactly. I didn't get any information on the internals unless it's in the glove box, and it's not. Oh, we were spinning a little bit back there. Yeah, she's a little peppy. Feels good. Got my turn signals on, and neither one of the lights are popping on the dash here. Be sure to watch the walk around video. We check all the lights, headlights, tail lights, turn signals, and check the body out real well. We're gonna still use them because I can hear them clicking. I just don't see the lights on the dash. I like the pep out of this car. Feels good. gonna pull in this parking lot here, go ahead and get some outside shots. What I do is I lay the camera on the ground, throw some lights up, shine on the undercarriage, drive by the camera a few times, give you a good idea of what it looks like on the outside of the car as it's rolling down the road. Get on it a little bit. I like the pep, I do. Okay, and if you look below in the description, I have like a bunch of links, and it's for the GoPro 7, the mounts and stuff that I use, the bags, all the gear, and all of my social media, which you can check out. So look below in the description, and I'll get you hooked up. Let's get these shots. This car here is fun. Lots of power. It was unexpected, honestly, because it doesn't sound all hopped up. Well, it kind of does, but definitely got more bite than bark. And the engine's staying really cool at actually below 180. She's set up to run. Roll up my window. The suspension on this one's nice and smooth too. They didn't lower it all down on the ground. It's got plenty of clearance. Also got good brakes and everything seems nice and tight. It'll eat that Mustang up right there. Pretty certain on that one. Coming up on that road with the speed bump in it. The speed bump is a lot smaller for some reason. The ground froze over and I guess it just sunk. I'm not really sure. You could tell they paved that section separate at one point. Get down in Crazy Town here. She's got plenty of get up. That wasn't even me flooring it. I just got into it a little bit just to show you. Cruising back on up to Maple Motors here. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos similar to this pretty much daily, weather permitting. They're talking rain the next 4 days, so I knocked out as many test drives as I could. It's gonna be a little different. I'm gonna be using the awning to do my walk-arounds. I just went and mainly did test drives all day today because I can't do those in the rain. I don't like to, at least. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that share button. Tell people about it. That helps us out greatly. Word of mouth is the best thing you can get, really. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later. And of course, MapleMotors.com has 100 detailed pictures of this ride, that ride, that ride, that ride. You know, every one of them on the lot. We also have financing for that ride, that ride. Oh, shipping as well for that one and that one. Yeah, it's all available at MapleMotors.com. So be sure to go there and check that out. You can see all the new inventory every Monday. We update with new cars. Every Monday, we try to. It's also kind of a weather permitting thing. We had a big snowstorm that came through last week and we could not update on Monday because none of our cars could get here through the transport truck because there was like 2 inches of ice on the road. It's crazy. But hey, springtime's on its way. It's gotten warm. In a matter of a week, it's gotten warm. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's about time for me to go home today. But I will continue tomorrow, and you'll have more videos. I'll see you later, guys. Thanks for watching.